Today we are going to make symmetrical squish paintings.
Hello, my talented artists.
If you love these lesson plans, don't forget to subscribe. I bet you can't wait to make your own symmetrical squish painting. Let's get started. Step 1, write your name on the back of your paper. Don't forget, you won't be able to write it once you get paint on your paper. Step 2, write your secret code on the back of your paper. Step 3, turn your paper over. Step 4, choose a paint color. Step 5, carefully squeeze out a few drops. Step 6, choose another color. Step 7, carefully squeeze out a few more drops. But I don't want to see puddles of paint or big blobs, just dots, not lots. Step 8, use as many different colors as you want. You might need to shake the bottle a little bit to get the paint out. If the paint won't come out, tell the teacher and choose a different color. Step 9, fold your paper in half. Be very careful. Press your folded paper flat. The paper is wet from the paint, so it can be very fragile and it can rip. Be very gentle when you're pressing. If your fingers get a little messy, that's okay. Just wipe them on the table paper. Be sure to squeeze and press that paint so that you spread it all over the paper. We don't want a big lump once we open it. Step 10, open up your paper. If there is a lot of paint in the fold, fold the paper again and press before you add any more paint. Step 11, add more paint dots if you have white space that you want to fill. But always remember, just use dots, not lots. We don't want a big puddle because one little dot spreads out all really big. Sometimes the paint bottles do get clogged. Don't worry, just Tell me and pick another color. Fold again every time you want to see how much your paint will spread and mix together. One of the special things about these paintings is that they are symmetrical. There are 3 types of symmetry. This is an example of mirror symmetry, or you could call it reflected symmetry. And it's when you have a line of symmetry, that's the fold that we are going to use to make this side the same as this side. It's a mirror image. The line of symmetry is the imaginary line that divides the image into identical halves. Here is the line of symmetry in this squish painting. When you are all done and your painting looks finished, you are ready for step 12. Put your painting into the drying rack.